Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Can Crypto.com Crow coin reach $1 before 2025? We're going to talk about that in this video shortly, but without further ado, we are at 10,100 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, you're giving away this loaded line NFT. Super excited about that. Guys, we are making our announcement for the winner of the $1,000 Bitcoin giveaway tonight at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on our live stream, so tune in. Let's hop into this video. So guys, as of right now, Bitcoin dominance is coming up. We did touch, without stable coins included, we did touch 50% Bitcoin dominance level. This is including the stable coins. So it is a little bit off. However, without stable coins, it is above 50% right now. Bitcoin is up. We had a nice move. We did break 27,000, but we are back below 27,000. We were at 26,700. Still in my very, very key price range of this channel right here. When we zoom in, it's important that we look at this, guys, because we are still in this key channel between 28,200 and 26,000. Well, I should say 25,300. I think that this is going to be the channel we're going to be trading in, guys, for a little while now. And we're still in here. Until we break out of this channel, I'm not expecting any large moves. So until we get a daily or weekly candle close, either above 26,300, preferably above 28,200, but 26,300 is our target as of right now, which we are above. However, I will say that it is not a make or break moment here. Being above having daily candle closes above 26,300 isn't huge, but it is a start. We need to really get these daily and weekly candle closes above 28,200 before I really can say, okay, we're going to start moving here. And as we look at this and zoom out, you can see we're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. Closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, getting very, very close to it. You know, it's important that we zoom out and look at these Bitcoin halvings and really figure out where we're at here, because it's very important. It's very important to see where we are and how far we have to go before, in my opinion, we start to actually have some true hype, some Bitcoin halving hype. And that should be in about 11 months, 10 to 12 months, give or take. But I think that March of next year is probably the appropriate time that we have our Bitcoin halving. And this blue line is on January 1st, just at the beginning of 2024. So let's talk about that. Can Crypto.com Crow coin break $1 by 2025? In my opinion, yes, I think it's possible. Am I going to guarantee it? No. There's no guarantees in trading. All trading is probability and statistics. But I do think by 2025, that should be an appropriate time for us to be in the full swing of this next Bitcoin bull run. That's about right here. This is May 2025. You know, I think that's going to be very, very close to where we'll probably be at with Bitcoin moving up near the next Bitcoin bull market. So where does that put Crow coin? Let's take a look. In my opinion, that puts Crow coin in 2025 when we zoom out here. Right now, we're about 11 to 12 months away from the Bitcoin halving. We're zooming out. I do think that we're going to be having a lot of sideways price action. We are testing coming up here. We did bottom out down here, and it does look like we're starting to test this channel here to come back up to the 5.5 cents. Would really like to see us break back above this. But as of right now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. As Bitcoin dominance continues to climb, I wouldn't be surprised if we stay below 5.5 cents for just a little bit. Just a little bit. We need some time for Bitcoin to truly absorb this liquidity and really harness all of this positive news about these Bitcoin spot ETFs. We need it to absorb the liquidity before it can flow into the altcoins. And we're talking about 2025 here. Right now, we're in 2023. We're about 10 to 12 months out from the Bitcoin halving in March of 2024. And then we have a year after that, in my opinion, before we have true hysteria, mania, can we call it, when we have true Bitcoin hype. Not Bitcoin halving hype. I'm talking about cryptocurrency as an asset class hype. I think that there's no reason why we can't be getting near $1 in 2025. I don't see how that is not likely. I feel like it's almost priced in, especially if we're making new all-time highs on Bitcoin. If we truly do make new all-time highs on Bitcoin, then I believe that $1 is priced in. I believe that $1 CRO coin is an easy target. An easy target, in my opinion. Not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is. I've been dollar cost averaging into CRO. I have a large CRO coin bag. And right now, I do think that is a good opportunity to be dollar cost averaging in. But I do think that come 2025, when Bitcoin is, say, around 70,000 maybe, about a year and 8 months away, give or take. If Bitcoin's around 70,000 and starts to trade sideways, we start to come up here, gets to about 2025, and we're breaking 60,000 into the 70,000s. We start to trade sideways. When we start trading sideways after a new all-time high, I believe that CRO coin will easily make some massive gains. I think that it's not going to be this sideways price action. I think you're going to see something very similar to what happened in the previous bull market, where we were trading sideways like this, and it wasn't a small curvature like this. It was something like this. We saw big hyperbolic moves, and it's hard to see the earlier on charts because we don't have the data here from Coinbase. However, we did see a meteoric rise. I was buying in CRO coin at 2 and 3 cents way back here, 2018, 2019, in the MCO days, before Crypto.com turned into CRO coin, when it was MCO. And it took a while. It took a while. There's a lot of sideways price action. A lot. But then, when Bitcoin started to trade sideways at the previous all-time high, towards the later end of the Bitcoin bull market, we started getting these. And we just launched. I think something similar like that is going to happen as we get closer and closer to 2025. It's not financial advice, but based on our data points that we have to pull from the 4-year cycle on Bitcoin, I think that there's a high likelihood of this happening, especially since CRO coin and Crypto.com has really, I will go out there and say, proven the test of time. They've survived this bear market so far. I do think we're getting to the tail end here of this bear market. They've survived the bear market, and it's been brutal. Lots of attacks on exchanges. Many attacks. So much FUD, guys. I mean, back here, FTX. You got the SEC calling for all these exchanges to be torn apart and all this fraud. It's been relentless. I can't even think of any more. It's been so relentless. There's a new story every day, and they're surviving. Sure, the price might be down, but the marketing, their agenda to bring the next billion users to crypto, it's working. It's working, and they're still around. Just keep that in mind, guys. If they survive this bear market, in my opinion, there's no reason why we don't reach a previous all-time high or get close to it. That's my opinion on it. Let's take a look over at S&P 500 because right now we are starting to see some pretty important price moves. Daily candle closes above this previous local high right here. We are above that. The next target, in my opinion, is 4,645, and then testing previous all-time highs on the S&P 500. When we test the previous all-time highs on the S&P 500, and if we break above it and we're not rejected, that's going to be absolutely massive for the traditional market and the cryptocurrency market. In my opinion, I think that will be kind of the indication that it's safe to invest, in quotation marks. It's going to tell the people on the sidelines with all their money tied up in cash right now that it's safe to start deploying capital back into the market. And it's been a long, grueling time, guys. It's been almost 2 years now. 2 years since all this ridiculousness. And we're getting ready to recover. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. If you want a dollar CRO coin, let me know in the comment section if you think it's possible by 2025. If it's not possible in your mind, tell me why. I really want to know your guys' opinion. But guys, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please know that we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. We're announcing the winner tonight, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.